this final section, we will learn how to build a full routine that helps you reprogram your mindset. We will use simple English, clear steps, and calm, easy instructions. Let us begin. Your mind is a living system. It grows with practice. It changes with repetition. Just like your body becomes strong with exercise, your mind becomes strong with mental training. A better mindset is not a one-day project. It is a daily routine. Small steps create big changes. Let us begin with the first step of reprogramming: awareness. Awareness means you notice your thoughts. You watch your mind the way you watch the sky. Thoughts come and go like clouds. Some clouds are dark. Some clouds are light. You do not fight them. You simply observe. When a negative thought appears, you say to yourself, "This is a thought, not a fact." When a fearful thought appears, you say, "This is a reaction. I can choose another one." Awareness is the beginning of control. The second step is slowing down your mind. Most negative thoughts grow when your mind moves too fast. When you slow down, your thoughts become clearer. One simple way to slow the mind is deep breathing. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. This sends a message of safety to the brain. Your emotions calm down. Your thinking becomes clear. A calm mind can change. A stressed mind cannot. The third step is thought questioning. You speak to your thought with gentle curiosity. You ask simple questions like, "Is this true? Is this thought helpful? Is there another way to see this?" These small questions open space in your mind. They break automatic patterns. They give you freedom from old habits. Let us use an example. The thought says, "I am not good enough." You pause. You breathe. You ask, "Is this true?" You ask, "Where is the proof?" You ask, "Did I improve compared to yesterday?" A new answer appears, a more honest answer. You say, "I am learning. I am growing. I am better than before." This is reprogramming. The fourth step is replacement. You create a new thought to replace the old one. You choose a simple, realistic, positive thought. Not a fantasy, not a lie, but a healthy, balanced thought. For example, "I can try. I can improve. I can learn step by step." These thoughts create calmer emotions. Calmer emotions lead to better behavior. The fifth step is action. Action is the bridge between thought and reality. Without action, even the best mindset stays only an idea. Action makes the mind stronger. Action makes new beliefs real. If you believe you can learn, take a small step. If you believe you can change, take a small action. Small actions build confidence. Confidence builds identity. Identity builds your new mindset. Now let us create a complete daily routine to train the mind. This routine is simple and perfect for beginners. Step 1. Morning reflection. When you wake up, sit quietly for 1 minute. Say to yourself, "Today I choose my thoughts." This gives direction to your day. You begin with intention. Step 2. Thought check. During the day, stop once or twice and ask yourself, "What am I thinking right now?" If the thought is negative, name it. If the thought is extreme, challenge it. This simple habit interrupts old patterns. Step 3. Positive replacement. Choose one healthy thought and repeat it slowly. For example, "I am improving. I am focused. I am patient." These words become seeds that grow inside your mind. Step 4. Small discipline habit. Choose one small daily action that makes you feel strong. It can be stretching, drinking water, reading, cleaning a table, or journaling. This small action is proof that you can control your behavior. This proof rewires the mind. Discipline grows from repetition. Step 5. Evening review. Before sleep, ask yourself 3 questions. What did I think today? What did I learn today? What can I do better tomorrow? These questions create self-awareness. Self-awareness creates growth. Now let us connect these ideas to the wisdom of philosophy. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his journal, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." This means your thoughts color your life. Choose the colors carefully. Seneca said, "Life is long if you know how to use it." A clear mindset helps you use your time well. Epictetus said, "No person is free who is not master of themselves." Mastery begins with mastering your thoughts. Purposeful living grows from a healthy mindset. Purpose does not come from the outside. Purpose grows inside you. Purpose is the feeling that your life has meaning. To live with purpose, you need clarity. To have clarity, you need a calm mind. To have a calm mind, you need control of your thoughts. Let us imagine your future. Imagine a version of you who is focused, calm, confident, disciplined, and peaceful. This version of you is not a dream. This version is possible. It begins with small thoughts. It begins with small actions. It begins with daily training. A strong mindset is built, not born. Every day, you shape your mind. Every day, your mind shapes your life. Now take a slow breath. Feel the present moment. Feel your mind becoming clearer. Feel your thoughts becoming lighter. You are learning to think better. You are learning to control your inner world. You are learning to reprogram your mindset. The journey is long, but you have already started. And that is the most important step.